E kaunti ma Migori en ni duond od bura noero mar UDA dhi nyime kod timo chenro noero mar ndiko members mathoth maggi e kaunti ma Migori, chenro ma bende gitimo mar medo soyo tiendgi e gwenge mag South Nyanza, ma bende duond od bura noero mar ODM nie kod mbi ma malo mokalo. Jotelo mag UDA kotelnegi kod jagoro mar party noero Collins Kipto Chemenjo owacho ni okang' makamano ero gigeto godo rwako ji mathoth e duond od bura noero mar UDA kendo keto mbi mamalo mar UDA e kor gwenge. Owacho ni gibiro timo ndikruok ne members magi kokalo e yor mbui mar yudo members mathoth Migori kono to kodaka South Nyanza mangima. Weche makamagi eki nosira kodaka organizer mar chenro matimo ndikruok ne UDA members Migori kono ero mano Peter Tonga kanyakla kod UDA coordinator ma Uriri sub county Migosi William Wasonga Odero.
Ya bottom up katika Migori County, na hii yenye tumeanza ni ile kidogo ya kuanzia tu. So we are here with the staff of office from the UDA. They have taken their time to come and register so many members from Low Nyanza. For now, we have advanced it in a way that it can bring people together by doing some tournaments. The tournament contain of some prizes that will award some people. By doing so, we have also create environment for business people like Mama Mboga. I think you have seen people are selling mandazi from here. From the perfection of Luo Nyanza region, they have been saying it is ODM. We are welcoming all the parties to this region to come and sell their views, to come and sell their policies, because after it all, it is not a matter of that tribe, this tribe. I'm a youth like any other in this nation, so we are always encourage youths. It is today, and today it is bottom up. Bottom up, it is a system of uplifting or working very hard to achieve whatever you want. It is not a matter of Nani is rich. It is a matter of whoever is working hard to gain more. So whoever does not have is also working hard to have something.
County, and what I want to thank most sincerely are the people of Migori County. They have given us good hospitality. They have given us a very good accommodative environment, whereby the key thing that brought us here is to do further registration mobilization